In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section here called Connected Devices. Now tap on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one you want to connect to. Then wait for the pop-up, select Pair, and wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or accept it manually if you are trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet. Either way, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to manage this connection, use this gear next to any paired device and check out all of those options, including Forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!